Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your technical friend Krishna Gaur. Today, we are going to learn two important things: how to download the latest Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft website, how to create a bootable USB drive using that ISO file. By the end of this video, you will be able to install Windows 11 on any PC or laptop easily. No confusion, no risky downloads, just a clean step-by-step process. Let's start with downloading the ISO file. Open your browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Navigate to Windows 11 download page in Microsoft official site. Scroll down to the section where you see Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Select Windows 11 from the drop-down menu and click Download. Now select your language, for example English United States, and click Confirm. Click on the 64-bit download button. The ISO file will now start downloading. This file may be around 5 to 6 gigabytes and can take 10 to 15 minutes depending on your internet speed. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now download has been finished. You can check and confirm the download image file in your download folder in your laptop. Perfect. Now let's move to the second part, creating a bootable USB drive. You need a USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes storage. Make sure to back up your data because it will be formatted. Now go to the browser and download a tool called Rufus. Click on first link and go to the download option now. Click on the latest Rufus exe file. It is a very short setup file. It will download within a second. Done. Open Rufus. No installation required. It is a portable tool. Now connect your USB drive to your computer. In Rufus, in Device, select your USB drive which is connected. In Boot selection, choose the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded, and in Partition Scheme, GPT for UEFI systems, don't change other option. Leave it as it is. Now click Start, don't change any other option. Click on OK. It will show a warning that all data will be erased. Click OK. Wait for a few minutes. Rufus will automatically create your bootable Windows 11 USB drive. Once the process is complete, your USB is ready. You can now plug it into any system and install Windows 11 easily. So that's it for today's video. If this helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are trying to install Windows. Also comment below if you want a video on Windows installation, step-by-step dual boot setup, or Windows optimization tips. See you in the next video.